Welcome to Law Family. This video is helpful to law students and newly practicing young advocates only. Today, we discuss about the general explanations of the BNS Act 2023 covered under sections. Section 2 within brackets 36, 37, 38. Corresponding law is Section 23 of IPC. Wrongful. It means prejudicially affecting a party in some legal right. The word unlawful means are intended to refer to an act which would refer the doer liable to an action or prosecution for either wrongful loss or gain. The property that is movable or immovable or otherwise must be lost to the owner, or owner must be wrongfully kept out of it. Example, where a pledge used an article that was pledged, it was held that the deterioration of the article by use was not wrongful loss of property to the owner, and the wrongful beneficial use of it by the pledge was not a wrongful gain to him.
Welcome. Wrongful gain, wrongful loss. That is, gaining wrongfully or losing wrongfully need not to be confined only to the acquisition or to the actual deprivation of property, and would cover also cases of wrongful retention of property in the one case and wrongfully being kept out of property in the other. Wrongfully kept out of any property. When the owner is kept out of possession of his property with the object of depriving him of the benefit arising from the possession, even temporarily, the case will come within the definition. Accused who was charged by his master with having committed theft of a box stated that he, that is accused, had removed the box and left it concealed in a master's car shed to give a lesson to his master. It was held that no theft was committed, there was no wrongful loss. Fees payable to a college for attending lecturers or property within the meaning of this section. Wrongful loss cases. Forcibly and illegally seizure of vehicle of a person on satisfaction of a debt due to the accused person by his deceased family member was held to be a wrongful loss. Another case, secreting document. Next case, breach of condition, not wrongful loss. Abatement of mistake by unlawful means,
Where the accused demolished structure because it was an encroachment on a public street. It was held that as the accused had no justification in law to demolish it, the acts done by them were not unlawful. The acts done by them were not lawful, and they were guilty of mischief. To prove both wrongful gain and wrongful loss were two facets of the definition of the dishonestly, and it was enough to establish the existence of one of them. accused person had made wrongful gain to themselves by obtaining credits by unlawful means, and even if no wrongful loss was caused to the banks, the accused person committed guilty of cheating. In case of court attached property, so long as the attachment lasted or the claim of person for the thing attached was not legally entitled to get possession of that thing attached, if he, here it means JDR, unlawfully took possession of that thing, he, the JDR, caused wrongful gain to himself and wrongful loss to the court. Finally, in cases of cheating, misappropriation, theft, and fraud, the element of wrongful gain or wrongful loss is often a key factor in determining guilt.
This video is
is
purely theory. The Honorable Court decides each case on merits. Thank you.
thank you.